What's up, everybody? Welcome to TunerThings. I'm working on a turbo build for my Honda Civic. It's a 99 EX Coupe. It's a budget build right now, but I'm planning on upgrading the turbo once I get to know the platform a little bit. It's mostly going to be used for drag racing. So today I'm going to be working on the downpipe. It doesn't quite fit, so I'm just going to be lopping it off. Getting it bolted on. I had to hit up the Lowe's for some extra bolts for the downpipe. So hell yeah. All right, let's get to it. Thanks for joining us.
Doggy, that was haggard as fuck. Alright, so excuse the pool strainer and the extra shit out here. So it started off with this being the only thing I had to cut with. I used a fucking angle grinder. I know it's not the safest, but you know. I'd say it turned out okay. Not the best, but you know, not the worst. Alright. So as you can see, it now actually bolts in with more than one bolt, although I bought too long of a bolt. I need to go back and get the 20s. I got the 30s by accident. Anyway, you can see how it sits down there. Let's see if we can get the light. You can see down there, it just tucks right under the oil pan. Let's look from underneath. Yep, there you can see. It just tucks right down where it's supposed to, and it can bolt right up to my stock exhaust. So that's like a perfect cut. No problem there.
The downpipe's in a perfect position. I just need to get some shorter bolts, pardon the dog barking. Alrighty guys, so the downpipe is in a perfect position. I just need to get some Alrighty guys, so the downpipe is in the perfect position. Motherfucker! Bye-bye, mutt. So I got the garage door shut so we don't have to hear that fucking dog. I got the downpipe fitted, but I need some shorter bolts. And I guess the only thing left for me to do today is to work on the turbo timer on the inside of the car. I would also really like to get the ECU in and get the ostrich ready because I want to get this thing cooking. Alrighty guys, so welcome back. It is fucking freezing. It's like a week later. I've had family here for the last week, so it's gotten kind of crazy. But I want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm going to go off and list off everybody that I've gotten a notification for in a later episode. Going to be a few days probably. I'm going to do one episode a week guaranteed. They're going to be coming out on Fridays starting next week. I didn't get to the ostrich. I didn't get to the ECU. I did finally get to Home Depot, pick up some bolts. So I'm gonna get the downpipe bolted in and see how we stand. Maybe get it started again.
Alrighty y'all, so I got the downpipe all bolted up. The exhaust manifold is on there securely. Got a little more oil put in there. We'll give it another start. I don't remember whether I fucked with the fuses at all. This probably doesn't even have a charge.
Alrighty guys, so I wanna stop this video right here. I did some dumb shit and you're just about I can't believe I did this. What a noob mistake. All right, here goes. We go.
Oh no. All right, that wasn't cool. I just connected the fucking thing backwards. Probably fried my ECU. All right, well, I hope this works. Neutral. Oh, Jesus. That's not good. Had to go out and get another fuse because I borked that one. It's fried. Can't believe I did that. That was such a noob mistake. So I'm gonna put this in, we'll get the car started. Got the fuse installed. Time to go give this another shot. Step over all this crap I need to get out of here. Alrighty, now I don't even know if it's got batteries, so I need to hook that jumper back up the right way. Oh, I did something bad. Alrighty, y'all. Round 2 with the battery pack. There we go.
check it out. Leaks me, there's no oil leaks. She's spitting some water. Starting to smoke a little bit. Give her a little something, something. Alrighty guys, so I didn't get the ostrich installed, I didn't get the gauges installed. I'm gonna leave off here. After messing up the fuse, I'm just kind of done for the day. I'm gonna go clean up, go get my kids from school. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments below what you guys are working on. Alrighty, peace out y'all.